Ever wonder just how fast a dirt bike can go? Hold on tight, because we're about to dive into the thrilling world of dirt bike speeds. From the smallest 50cc bikes to the roaring 450cc monsters, each engine size offers a unique blend of speed and excitement. Let's start with the 50cc dirt bikes, perfect for kids and beginners, reaching speeds between 25 to 40 miles per hour. As we step up to 65cc bikes, novices can enjoy a lightweight design with speeds up to 62 miles per hour. For those ready for more, 80cc bikes offer a thrilling ride with speeds of 45 to 55 miles per hour, and some models even surpassing that. 100cc bikes bring a significant speed boost, reaching 50 to 80 miles per hour, perfect for intermediate riders tackling various terrains. 110cc bikes balance speed and control, typically traveling up to 55 miles per hour, ideal for growing riders. 125cc dirt bikes hit top speeds of 55 to 60 miles per hour, appealing to more experienced riders. In the 125cc four-stroke category, speeds vary from 35 to 55 miles per hour, depending on the bike's specifications. 150cc bikes average speeds of 50 to 60 miles per hour, but skilled riders can push them even further. 200cc bikes run as fast as 60 miles per hour, providing the power needed for competitive racing. 250cc bikes typically fall in the fast 70 to 80 miles per hour range, making them a favorite among advanced riders. 400cc bikes boast an average top speed of 87 miles per hour, with significant variability between models. 450cc dirt bikes can reach up to 90 miles per hour, influenced by modifications, rider weight and terrain. The heart of a dirt bike's speed lies in its engine. Two-stroke engines often provide higher speeds compared to four-stroke engines. Terrain plays a crucial role in speed. Flat, hard-packed tracks allow for maximum speed potential, while soft sand or mud can significantly reduce it. A rider's weight also influences speed. Heavier riders might find their bikes less responsive, while lighter riders may experience improved acceleration. Over time, a dirt bike's speed performance can be affected by engine wear, maintenance habits, and the condition of the chain and sprockets. Proper maintenance is crucial for maintaining optimal speed performance. Regular oil changes, air filter cleaning, and valve adjustments are key. Experience matters. Novice riders typically don't reach the same speeds as experienced riders, emphasizing the importance of skill development. Safety is paramount. High-speed dirt bike riding requires extra precautions and specific techniques to ensure rider safety. Essential safety gear includes a DOT-approved helmet, shatter-resistant goggles, body armor, sturdy boots, and reinforced gloves. High-speed handling techniques involve maintaining a forward-leaning position, smooth throttle control, and progressive braking. Advanced safety tips include practicing regularly, knowing your limits, inspecting your bike, and staying alert. Environmental awareness is crucial. Be mindful of weather conditions and how different terrains affect your bike's performance. Respect speed limits and local regulations on public trails and tracks. Always ride within designated areas and respect private property. Dirt bikes are marvels of engineering, with lightweight designs and rugged construction tailored for various age groups and skill levels. Engine displacement, measured in cubic centimeters, cc, is a key factor in determining a dirt bike's speed. Upgrades like clutch kits, fuel tuners, suspension systems, and tire changes can significantly enhance a dirt bike's speed and performance. In motocross racing, maintaining high speeds on the track is key to success, with engine displacement playing a crucial role. Remember, the thrill of high-speed dirt biking should never compromise safety. Enjoy the ride, but always prioritize control and safety. Keep riding, keep exploring,